In the darkest part of the ocean, hidden far below the waves, a glowing dome holds a secret world, Bubble Town, where people live safely beneath the sea. Inside this shimmering dome, kids zoom around on bubble scooters, racing past coral-shaped homes and floating schools that dance with the currents. But today, something odd is happening in the deep zone. Shadows flicker, and the calm sea feels tense. Max and Lila, best friends and curious junior explorers, hear a strange rhythmic pulse on their underwater scanner. Nothing like they've heard before. It's coming from the abyss tube, Lila gasps, her eyes wide. Knowing no adult will believe them, they gear up and decide to find out what's really going on down there. The abyss tube lowers them deep into the trench. It's pitch dark. Only glowing jellyfish float outside, lighting their descent. Suddenly, bump! Something brushes past the elevator. The kids gasp, gripping the rails tightly. The elevator jolts, then stops. They're stranded, floating halfway down in eerie silence. Then Max notices glowing dots swirling into a spiral outside the glass, forming a trail. They open the emergency hatch and swim into the unknown, their flashlights beaming through thick blue fog. The trail leads to a hidden metal door covered in coral, tucked into a rocky wall. Inside, ancient machines hum to life. Symbols glow and rotate in the salty, still air. A hologram appears. "Welcome, protectors of the sea," it says, voice deep and echoing. But suddenly an alert flashes. A rift is opening. Bubble Town is in danger. The ground shakes, cracks split the ocean floor. A massive quake has begun. Max rushes to a stabilizer core, pulling a glowing lever. If it fails, the dome may collapse. Lila types the old code into a console, praying the signal reaches the Bubble Council in time. From the trench, a giant sea creature rises, its glowing eyes fixed on Bubble Town. It sees the dome as a rival. Max and Lila race back, holding the only thing that might help, a glowing sonic crystal. Leela releases the pulse. It hums through the deep like an underwater lullaby. The creature pauses, then lowers its head. It understands. Peacefully, it sinks back into the deep. Back in Bubble Town, the kids are hailed as heroes. The city celebrates their bravery. A statue is built not just of Max and Lila, but of unity between humans and the sea. What would you do if you discovered a hidden world underwater? Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome adventures.